Haha. Oh. Oh nee. What's up guys, welcome to a new video. A lot happened, so for this week I have a little bit of everything. Birthdays, coffees, baking a cake and drawing. A little bit all over the place. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you give it a thumbs down. And please subscribe if you do want to see some more. Ta-da! What I'm working on is something fun. It's a present for my boyfriend's birthday. And what I'm going to do is, okay, his favorite animal is a raven. So a long time ago I made a raven right here. That's it, if it's focusing. Yeah, there we go. So I let it print here, and on a very nice day, super dope paper like this. That's the drawing. Focus, thank you. And that's the print. I'm not so good with frames, so I will just give it to him like this. This part needs some talking, otherwise you would see like 1 minute of yeah what. What are we doing right here? We basically got a big ass coffee machine from a very cool guy we got to know from another coffee shop here in Budapest. And it's a second-hand machine, and the guy helped us to install it, but to be honest, I don't know how to make a proper coffee myself. So right now we spent hours with practicing making coffee, making the milk foam. Yeah, the coffee was good. So yeah, in what stage are we now? Basically the shop is done. We are fine-tuning some small things, some administrative issue that we have to tackle before we go open, but I hope in a couple days things are happening. So when everything is administratively 100% correct, we are ready to go. This is paint. Today we're gonna do something fun. Welcome in the coolest kitchen of the neighborhood. We're gonna make this. So basically that's what this is. I actually don't know what will come out of this, but we're gonna give it a try. In the glass there is
300 grams of Reeterslies, that's like
for strudel flour,
150 grams of sugar, a package of baking powder, and a small spoon of baking soda.
And this says what it still needs.
1 toyash.
And that's an issue because I got no eggs. We can actually make it vegan. I think I have some linseed, so I can make a fake egg out of that.
150 milliliters of oil, and then 2 deciliters of tomato juice, fruit paste.
I think I'm gonna use this, which is my mom's homemade jam, apricot jam. So here we have the cake. Ooh. That's looking a bit burnt on the bottom. Phenom. We're back in the cave at the table with my sketchbook. So it's time to draw again. It has been a couple weeks. Right now I've been working already for a while on this mountain. It's the Fuji mountain in Japan. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with this drawing, not with a time lapse, but just some nice shots here and there. And let's see how far I can get. I think I won't finish it today because it's still quite a lot of work. Let's do it. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this all over the place vlog. And if you did like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you give it a thumbs down. Subscribe. If you did not do it already, you know the drill. And I will see you guys all next week.